Today I'm going to talk about choosing and evaluating resources for college writing. The USF Library has a variety of different types of resources for their students. Writing academic papers using scholarly and peer-reviewed resources is part of most everyone's college requirements. Many of the resources you'll use via the USF Library fall into this category. We provide students with access to books and journal articles via the databases on our website, and of course, our physical collection of books and journals. But what exactly makes something scholarly or peer-reviewed? Well, in the context of academic resources, scholarly means that a resource has been written by an expert in that field and been published. Most, but not all, of those scholarly resources go through what's known as peer review, the process of putting an author's work through the scrutiny of other scholars and experts in their field before publication. We provide students with access to quality books and journal articles, but it's up to you to choose the best ones for your purposes. Here are some key criteria to consider before deciding to use a resource you come across. Remember the acronym TRAAP or TRAAP. It stands for Timeliness. Is this a timely enough resource for my purposes? Is the information current or out of date? This is a particular concern for science research, as old resources could have outdated information. Relevance. Is this information applicable to my topic? Does it help me answer my research question? Who was this resource written for? Is it appropriate for me to use? Authority. Is the author of this resource an expert in their field? Are their credentials listed or available? Has this resource been peer-reviewed? Has it been published? Accuracy. Is the information in this resource able to be verified? Is it clear where the resource came from? Has it been put through an editing or reviewing process? Are there obvious errors? And purpose. What is the purpose of this resource? Is it to inform, to teach, entertain, or persuade? Is it propaganda? Are there personal biases? In some cases, you'll also get to use popular resources like magazines, newspapers, blogs, and other media if your paper calls for it and your professor allows. When you use these kinds of resources for your college writing, it's more important than ever to evaluate them using the criteria we've just talked about. Most of the time, you'll find that your assignments require that you base your arguments on scholarly and peer-reviewed sources. The library and the library's website are your best bets for finding these resources. If you're ever unsure about a resource, a USF librarian would be happy to discuss it with you and help you find others. If you have questions about this or any other USF library resource, visit lib.usf.edu and click on Ask a Librarian for lots of ways to get your questions answered, or contact your liaison librarian directly.